Hey guys, Retro Badger here. Today I want to ask the question of how powerful are these Kessok mines? As you know, they were that race that worked with the Cardassians, and they were invented for the game Bridge Commander. But their torpedoes are really powerful,
Alert, shields
so
off,
I
Captain.
thought it'd be interesting to put the Prometheus up against some of them. So here we go.
Your order, sir?
Got 6 Kessok mines. Wow, now if you look at them, they track you. They're slow, but they're really good at tracking. Wow. Looks like they can fire 2 at a time. Whoa! Look at that!
Our ventral shields are draining, sir.
Well, that's one down.
Is draining.
There we go.
Sir, the right shield has failed.
Oh no!
Their attacks are draining on starboard shield.
There goes the warp cell. What? Okay, I thought the Prometheus was cloaking then.
Shields are
Just trying to get out of there while I still can. Let's assess the damage. Yep, it's pretty serious. It's lost its forward shield and it's got big holes in it. Man. So yeah, they're pretty nasty, those torpedoes. Let's have a look. Right. Where is she?
Yes, Captain.
One thing left to do. Let's do multi-vector assault mode. This might actually work to an advantage. If we're attacking if we're attacking multiple weak enemies, using multi-vector assault mode might actually work. I think when you're trying to attack a very powerful enemy, going into multi-vector assault mode doesn't work. So here we go. Maybe that's what it was designed for, if you're outnumbered. Support. Come on. Engine trouble. Okay, so the saucer section's taking a beating.
Their left shield has collapsed, sir.
Sir,
So the Kessok mines, they don't have much defensive capability, but the torpedoes are very powerful. No, it's giving up apparently. I don't trust it.
Their left shield is draining, Captain.
Uh-oh.
shields are at 50%.
Do not fire on friendly targets.
Oh, crumbs. That's the saucer section. I hope I didn't hit the plasma stream there.
Their forward shield has failed.
Probably did.
Target hull integrity at 50%.
Oh, this is a good test for the Prometheus.
Captain, we have collapsed their bottom shield.
Great, well there we go. The Prometheus can take on 6 as long as... Oh, gosh, that's bad. As long as it goes into multi-vector assault mode. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.